Hi, I'm Karen Harrison of the Dream Builders. I'm here today to talk with you about Citrus Fresh Vitality. This one in the white label bottle is for internal use. It has a blend of the oils of orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. I love to put this in my water. It gives a nice zing to the water. It's a great substitute instead of those sodas that are laden with all sorts of unhealthy stuff. This is healthy for your body and will support your body systems and uplift you, and just help you to feel happy. So try it in your water. This Citrus Fresh is for topical aromatic use. This one is great to use to help get rid of stale odors in your house. You can put it on a cotton ball or a cotton pad, put it in a little glass dish, and set it in your closet. That's what I've done. Helps get rid of those stale odors. You can also diffuse it. If you just are having one of those days where you need to uplift your mood, get a boost of happy, this is happy in a bottle, okay? It will help you to feel happy and calm at the same time. Great oil. You can also use it on your skin. It's skin supporting. However, caution, citrus oils are photosensitive. That means you shouldn't put it on your skin and then go out and sunbathe. If you're going to put it on your skin, wait a good 12 hours before you go out, for any extended period of time. Okay, so that's a little caution on it. So try this in your diffuser. I love it. It's also a very economical oil, so you can use it freely and inexpensively. Here we go. Citrus Fresh Vitality for internal use. Citrus Fresh in the colored label for topical and aromatic use. Same oil, grown on the same farm, distilled the same way, labeled differently for FDA purposes. Okay, try them out and use them today. Enjoy.